Welcome, in front of me is a SONY Xperia 5 Mark V, and today I will show you how you can enable the power saving mode on this phone. So, to get started, we're gonna pull down our notifications and we're gonna swipe down once more to extend the list of toggles. And on one of the pages you will find a power saving mode, or as Sony calls it, it's stamina mode. And for me it is on the first page right over here. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it, and it brings up this message right here. Stamina mode turns on dark theme, restricts background activity, and delays notifications. Now, out of these and these listed changes, the one that will be the most important one will be the delay of notifications, because the way what it actually is doing, apart from delaying notifications, it's going to disable Wi-Fi and mobile data. And it's going to reconnect to it every so often, maybe like every 10, 20, whatever the timer is, minutes. And once it reconnects, it will gain whatever it was missing in terms of notifications and then turn off again. This happens when you're not using your device. So if I turn it on right now and I just put it to sleep like this, after a certain moment of inactivity, it turns off Wi-Fi, mobile data to preserve the battery. And like I said, reconnects to it every so often, but when you wake up the device yourself, it will automatically reconnect to your network and also give you anything that you might have been missing in terms of notifications. Now, obviously, notifications won't be the only thing affected by this. Messages and any kind of application that requires internet connection to give you messages will be affected by it. So just to name a few, things like Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, and all the Zuck apps will basically be affected by it. And other notifications from just like general notifications will also be affected by this, obviously. Now, once you're done with this and you want your device to go back to functioning normally, you can turn it off by finding the toggle once more and tapping on it once again to turn it off. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.